Hey, what's going on everyone? Huge cryptocurrency analytics, news and updates are the topic of our today's video, and today we'll be discussing together the Shiba Inu price. Will the SHIB hit 1 cent soon or just a trash coin and it's going to cost nothing? What should we expect as crypto holders and what's going on with the crypto market in general? But before we get started, please consider to subscribe. It is absolutely necessary and vote it to the end, because this information and metrics cannot be shared with you on the open media. So we're going to discussing with you huge news today. Then we're going to take a look at the Shiba Inu whales, metrics and doing some technical analysis. So without any delay, please subscribe if you're interested, follow that in one place, and let's get started. Starting off with the Shiba Inu price, and Shiba Inu price right now is 5 zeros followed by the 6862, 1,115,000 people on the watch list, 2.7 billion market cap, 340 million daily volume. So fear and greed index right now on the 27, and yesterday it was neutral 50, last week fear 30, and last month extreme greed 76 actually, and after that we huge news. Solana chart bull flag eyes 250 despite Sol price down 40% since last week. And how actually it influence on Shiba swap? Are Shiba also seeing IS 2x, or should we see some others actions? So Uniswap price jumps by 15% in decentralized finance, cryptocurrency market rebounds. Decentralized financials potential means more institutional demand for next generation tokens. So meanwhile, the Solana latest downside move forms a classical bullish continuation structure with a profit target about $250. Solana price extended its slide on September 17 network outage over the past week, pointing the heightened security risk. Outrage hurts Solana price. Solana bakers stood its Layer 1 blockchain solutions as a direct competitor to Ethereum. That is mainly due to its potential to ensure higher speed and lower transactions cost than the world's leading smart contracts platform. Solana mainnet beta encountered a large increase in transaction load, which peaked 400,000 TPS. These transactions flooded the transaction processing queue, and lack of prioritization of network critical messaging caused the network to start forking. So decentralized financial potential means more institutional demand for next-gen tokens. What actually does this mean? And how it and what we do with Shiba. So this is reflection companies going deeper into crypto. Over the first 2 months of 2021, major institutions like BlackRock, Square and MicroStrategy were only just dipping their toes into Bitcoin. Now they tasted its benefits and are looking to harness the untapped potential of up-and-coming blockchains and decentralized coins that could yield higher returns. So Trenchev highlight that such developments suggest that the crypto market may currently be in the midst of an alt season. So Solana runs put the market on notice. Undiscovered projects pique institutional interest. Quote, the risk is that this will lead to faster maker cycles for specific cryptocurrencies that are outliers from overall market movements. We see extreme FOMO and price increases followed by large sell-off and price declines. With Sol, in particular, price are down 20% this week. That doesn't mean it won't quickly return back for its all-time high. It's just that people who are new to crypto should be aware that volatility is par for the course. And that actually the thing that I will be repeating, that crypto is volatile and I'm not financial advice. So, I think you should aware of that before even you bought any of crypto. Is Ethereum on the verge of being overshadowed? While it's clear that Ethereum is the current smart contract backbone of the decentralized finance ecosystem, Solana is emerging as a solid competitor with potentially more upside to come. Key factors such as cost and speed mean that Solana has become a solid challenger to Ethereum, position both within the realm of programmable money and programmable media. In Holder's view, institutions are only just getting their toes wet when it comes to decentralized finance, and therefore the next few months could be extremely interesting in terms of how they become further involved. In decentralized platforms can somehow ensure basic things like customer protection using decentralized KYC and AML. They will take vast chunks out of banks' market share, especially as peer-to-peer economic system he holds. So, modeled after Amazon, this platform is building the bridge between decentralized finance and e-commerce. So consider the use cases. Another use case is non-fungible tokens, but what more specifically an NFT supermarket system for digital products. With this shopping system, sellers of each product are identified as a unique token ID. After the transaction is complete, the buyer's ownership is immediately confirmed. The launch of an equid NFT marketplace brings about allocation specifically tailored to the needs of influencers and content creators such as YouTubers, TikTokers, live streamers, and other social media influencers. Uquite also has plans to apply Buy Pay Later any coin, a new feature to further enhance the shopping experience. So we should be seeing some huge increases in price after then. I think not financial advice, but it's interesting that it actually shows us how it's early on the crypto, and the team continues to prioritize further upgrades on their store in their official roadmap. By doing so, the platform believes that decentralized finance will support business growth in the e-commerce sector, expanding the number of customers that have been reached in the world. But Ethereum killers are just pretenders, but Ether remains kind for now. The term Ethereum killer is beginning to pick up the pace once again in the cryptocurrency markets, as the native tokens of several competing blockchain networks are posting significant gains during September. For any alternative network to be considered as a part of this category,